Hello fellas, it's great to see you again. At Yes Welder, we are committed to bringing professional quality welders to a wider audience. A year ago, thanks to the support from all over the world, we managed to turn the entry-level all-rounder First S MP200 into a reality.
Thank you very much.
This time, we will push the envelope even further. Bringing to you the Yes Welder CT 2050, a professional-grade AC/DC TIG welder, stick welder, and portable plasma cutter for enthusiasts of all levels and for working professionals on the go. The CT 2050 sports both DC and AC TIG. The adding of AC/DC double converter makes it a versatile welder. Not only does it weld steel and brass, it is now capable of welding aluminum and its alloys. In addition to the AC/DC converter, we implemented pulse TIG for both AC and DC TIG. This improves the welding experience for jobs at tricky corners or welding positions, and it renders smooth and precise outputs. This is Rachel, a very talented welder and metalwork artist. Thanks for joining me, Rachel.
My pleasure.
In fact, we are in her workshop right now. Look at that. You know, this machine has a built-in air compressor.
Built-in air compressor, that sounds interesting. So this is all I need?
Yep, that's everything you need. Despite its compact size, the built-in air compressor still outputs an impressive 80% of its full capacity. This would truly liberate you from hooking up to the compressor tank on many quick cutting jobs, especially when you're moving around a lot in awkward corners. Its max clean cut thickness is rated at 1 inch at 45 amps. With 100% duty cycle, the plasma cutter may work continuously for 5 hours at 45 amps. Your body may complain long before the welder does. Plasma cutter employs a non-touch pilot arc for cutting. It improves the cutting smoothness while it prolongs the component's longevity. Where was I at just now?
Stick welding.
There is something cool about stick welding.
Not only does it support the regular electrodes, it is also compatible with E6010 electrodes. The CT 2050's got the hot start feature that allows instant high amp output that reduces the chance of sticking your electrode to the jobs. CT 2050 is probably our most ambitious product to date. There's a lot of thought that went into the design, inside and out, to equip it with as many powerful and practical features as possible while keeping it relatively portable. Development of this 7-in-1 machine has been an epic journey for all of us at Yes Welder. But we are so honored to be able to dedicate to you again the final result that we could be proud of. At Yes Welder, we understand how important a good tool is to passionate artisans like Rachel and to you. It is dedicated to those who truly respect and love their crafts, and for those who want to push their boundaries and imagination one step further. And last but not least, thank you very much for supporting this project. After you.